So general ledger process, அதில் என்ன பண்ணால் accounting cycle. ஓகே, அடுத்து general ledger related வந்து accounting setup manager. இது வந்து ஜென்ரிக்காக இதெல்லாம் பார்ப்போம். ஸோ வில் சி லெஜர் இன் டீடைல். ஓகே, செகண்ட் பிரைமரி லெஜர், செகண்டரி லெஜர். ஸோ ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் கரன்சிலையும் ஒரு லெவல் இருக்கு. அப்புறம் அக்கௌண்டிங் செட்டப், அதில் தான் வில் செட்டப் எ லெஜர். பில்டிங் சார்ட் ஆஃப் அக்கௌண்ட், ஐடென்டிஃபை பிஸ்னஸ். ஸோ வீல் டூ லைக் ஏ இன்ட்ராக்டிவ் செஷன். சரியா, மோஸ்ட் எல்லாமே இன்ட்ராக்டிவ் தான், இல்லைன்னா அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் போரிங்காக இருக்கும். ஒரு ரியல் சினாரியோ எடுத்து வில் கம்பேர். ஓகே, அப்படி பண்ணும். ஸோ இதை படிங்க அப்படியே. அப்ஜெக்டிவ்.
After completing this lesson, you should be able to do the following. Identify the steps required to complete the accounting. Describe how Oracle General Ledger integrates with the Oracle e-business suite application. Describe the implementation considerations for setting up and using Oracle General Ledger and the Oracle e-business suite.
So what you understood, நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், we are seeing the accounting cycle. அது வந்து that is a end user job, regular job. Okay, how it integrated to other e-business application. Oracle e-business na other PO, purchasing module, HRMS la how it getting integrated, implementation பார்க்க போறோம். Describe the implemented conditions. So for getting implemented, integrated to other module, what are the implementation conditions, consideration needed for setting up the Oracle GL? Because GL is the main part. Yeah, so this is what how it linking to other module. Okay, okay. Okay, so customer relation management, Oracle financial, so all the modules you know, இதை வச்சு நம்ம integrate பண்றோம். Okay, so general ledger is a repository of accounting information. So you know the basic accounts, yeah. So all the basic journal entry and everything goes into general ledger. Wherever you create, even you create an AP invoice in AP payment in AP, the accounting entry flows to GL. Okay, va? Appada it will hit the trial balance. It will not directly flow. அதே மாதிரி AR invoice, ஒரு HRMSல salary payment. Okay, ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ், ஆரக்கிள் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் மாடியூல்ல யூ ஆர் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டிங் எ பில்டிங் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ், என்னதான் எஸ்டிமேட் போட்டாலும் the payment will come through AP module. Fixed assetல buying an asset, you buy an assetக்கு it has to come from AP module தான். Okay, without paying nobody will give you. So everything will revolve around the integration, and finally it has to go to general ledger. Then only you know the company's financial information. சரியா, general ledger overview பார்த்தோம். இது பேசிக் தான். ஃபங்க்ஷன் முதல்ல we'll go through the difficult topics. So critical implementation issue, what will be the while doing implementation, what will be the issues will be coming commonly. Shared information, inform to avoid redundancy, minimize setup time and keep system synchronized. The entity shared, the parameter for application, a record once and pass to the next business process. Okay, open interface, you know how to transfer data, import from other application, or about non-Oracle application, you will build the interface table and it will pass it on, right?
Yes.
This is also generic, you can read. So how it integrates with Oracle financial application. It is a separate Oracle suite, finance service asset interface integration. Okay, this is all overview. Once you go to the modules, you will see in depth. Okay, so you have a concept called subledger also. So all the subledger having two meanings. So all the modules except general ledger we call subledger. Okay, all the module in Oracle except general ledger, whichever is connected to GL, everything has to flow to GL. Through GL interface, it is coming a journal import and posting. It is updating the GL balances table. Okay. So it is updated.
Ledgers are with respect to different modules.
No, whatever modules, it is journal is imported into GL. See, suppose I say HRMS is not directly interacting with JL, it will connect with payroll. Payroll will be connected to AP, right? AP.
Yes, yes.
It will pay and it come. One or the other, it has to come to this way only. Then only it will hit the trial balance. This is the logic, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Non-Oracle, you know that other feeder system. Everywhere, anywhere, it has to fit all the tables, right? Whenever you build an interface, the Oracle tables has to be equal to other things. You will make it whatever the mandated table is equal, it will be working, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oracle setup manager. Okay. So how foreign currency? See, now we are assuming that we are having our own currency, INR. If other currency comes, there is a concept called conversion. Okay. Suppose I am having an office in India, I am having a small branch in US. Okay.
Okay.
I want to see all the balance in only INR. Then there is a conversion should happen, US balance to Indian balance plus Indian balance. Then only I can compare. I cannot compare USD and INR, correct? That is conversion.
Okay.
What is revaluation? Revaluation is not sale. It is revaluating every month. Suppose every month there is a program I will run. So suppose I am having asset building as an asset. I am having building, imported machinery, etc. So if the mission, whatever I am having in the foreign currency, suppose my machinery is valuing 10 lakhs USD. Okay. I'll put as USD only because I bought before 5 years. It should be 10 lakhs at the time. It should be 50 rupees or 60 rupees, right? Okay. Into 60, 10, 60 lakh, I would have put 60 lakh, no, 6 million. Okay. At the time, what it will happen? Now we have to see the revaluation will peak the 10 lakh value into current value. 10 lakh dollars into current is 75. Okay. So the difference of 15 lakhs or 150 lakhs. Okay. The difference will go to the revaluation. Okay. So now the difference, whatever the difference, suppose building rate is high now, I bought 5 lakh USD. Okay. Now it is 10 lakh USD. Right. And also I have to convert to the currency. That will go to the revaluation gain account. Unrealized gain. Wait, what is unrealized is? I will not sell, right? See, when you sell only, you will realize the money in hand, correct? So before 5 years, I bought a building. Now I do a rough valuation. That is called revaluation. I'll check. Oh, okay, okay. When I reevaluate the balance sheet item, liability and asset, this is the one. So what happens? This is what is happening. So it is not a permanent account. So we'll do on the month end and we'll reverse on the day one. Okay. So it will have nil effect. Okay. So why we want to do revaluation? Then.
Say frequently the value gets changed, currency value gets changed. So we have to reevaluate and
No, currency
market
value will
trend.
change. We don't want to see. We are doing monthly ones to check the market condition of our balance sheet.
Market condition.
Revalue. Okay. Like shares and all we'll do, no? It is only for balance sheet, not for profit loss account. Because when we do profit loss account, it is a one-time hit, right? You realize a profit or loss, that only profit or loss. Suppose I am buying gold from Dubai to India. Okay. You will buy for someone else. You are buying there for 20,000 here, it is 25,000. Okay.
Okay.
You sell for the actual value. I bought for 20,000. If you give for 20, it 5,000 is an realized gain in hand. Because immediately you are selling or something, you sell for 25,000 Indian price, you got 5,000 in hand. That is realized gain. Okay.
Okay.
What is realized gain? Immediately you got in hand. You are got profit. Other realize. Unrealized na only in the books. Temporary. Okay. So this is the difference. You understand, Leah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is called, it will hit directly profit and loss account. Translation. Translation, completely you are translating from one books to other books. See, suppose I said my branch is in Dubai. I'm in India. I want to see Dubai currency AED in INR. The balance sheet and P&L will be completely translated divided by 20 into 20, right? Average price.
Yes.
So
Yes.
everything will be into 20 and shown to me in Indian currency. That is called translation. This is the difference between three, whatever they given. We'll see in detail below. Okay. See the given. படிங்க கன்வர்ஷன் எல்லாம் என்ன போட்டிருக்காங்க.
Conversion refers to foreign currency transactions that are immediately converted at the time of entry to the ledger currency of the ledger in which the transaction takes place.
So you understand, Leah?
Revaluation.
Immediately
Yes.
converted at the time. Revaluation.
Revaluation adjusts liability or asset accounts that may be materially understated or overstated at the end of a period due to fluctuation in the exchange rate between the time the transaction was entered and the end of the period.
Okay. So it is a fluctuation rate. Exchange rate fluctuate agaga. You are seeing the understated or overstated amount at the end of a specific period. Okay.
Okay.
The translation.
Translation refers to the act of restating an entire ledger or balances for a company from the ledger currency to the a foreign currency.
Okay. So these are the difference. Okay.
Okay.
So multi-currency, if one or more of the following are different, like I said, chart of 3C. Is another chart of account, calendar, accounting method, US GAAP accrual. So if any one of these 4C's, we have to use a secondary ledger. If difference in only currency, you have to use reporting currency. Now you know the difference why we want to add a secondary ledger. Any one of the 4C is changing, you have to go for a secondary ledger. So calendar, you take calendar. Only currency changing. Suppose pound, dollar, only currency changing. You use reporting currency. Don't go for secondary ledger. So secondary ledger is a complicated one because you have to enter something different ledger, right? So reporting currency will just act as a system thing. It is a one ledger only. Okay. So you know the difference now. Can you read this multi-currency support?
Reporting currencies are additional currency representation of primary or secondary ledgers. You can maintain additional currency representation at 3 different levels: balance level, journal level, subledger level. Balance level maintain translated balances. When you run translation in general ledger, balances are stored in a balance level reporting currency. Journal level is a currency representation of only your journal, GL journals and balances. When you post a journal in GL, the journal will be converted to one or more journal level reporting currency. Subledger level is a complete currency representation of your subledger transaction, GL, journal entries and balances. When you enter a subledger transaction or enter and post a journal directly in general ledger, the same transaction and journal will be converted to one or more associated subledger level reporting currencies.
So what is balance level now?
Maintain translated balances.
So one currency balance sheet to other translated balance, right? It is stored in balance level reporting currency. There is a balance level journal. Okay. If you see the setup, you will understand. Balance level, it is storing because it is translating. What is journal level? If you see that balance level, it is translating all the balance. Okay. Journal means particular journal. Currency representative of your journal and balances. When you post a journal, will be converted one more level reporting currency. So you understand what is reporting currency. So first thing is it is translating everything. So you are not going to do. It is stored in the balance level. Second thing is it is converting journal level. Converted to one or more journal reporting currency. Subledger level. It is an important thing. It is a complete currency representation of your subledger transaction. GL journal entry. When you enter a subledger transaction, post a journal directly in GL, be converted to one or more associate server level reporting currency. See, when you post, it will almost be converted and it will be in the subledger level reporting currency. So it will be maintaining parallelly. Okay. See, when you enter in subledger book, it will also affect the main books. That's for the third part. Other two are basically converting. Okay. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Unlike subledger, reporting currency only differ by currency, the source, and must be charged. Unlike secondary ledger, see what is the difference between secondary ledger and reporting currency? They are saying here differ by currency from their source ledger. See, source ledger and must share the same chart of account, accounting calendar combination if used and ledger processing option. Reporting currency can be used for supplementary purposes such as consolidation or management reporting. The reporting currency, na sonna mari, it is be used only for the reporting.
Okay.
Not for accounting. Accounting பண்ணி இல்ல ஒரு யூனிவர்சிட்டி இன்வாய்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு. ரிப்போர்ட் பண்றதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் reporting currency is used. Okay. Consolidation of books. Okay. A consolidation, they can be used if you operate in countries with high inflationary economy. Suppose if you see South American country like Venezuela, it is highly inflated, and African country. So today you see one USD, it will be 500. Tomorrow it will go to 800, 1,500. Highly inflexible. Okay. So you have to check always the reporting. One by one entry reporting, it will be a huge exchange loss or gain. Okay.
Okay.
That's why. Hello, Ravi.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Already. Okay, Ravi, read it. You can see.
Yeah, yes.
Already record. Okay, read it. Budgeting.
So it gives you general ledger gives you a variety of tools to create, maintain, and track your budget, including the ability to upload budget amounts from an Excel spreadsheet.
Okay, explain what is that.
It used tools to create, maintain, and track your budgets. You can track your budget, your future estimation of your finance.
So Oracle
how
General
you're
Ledger
spending
having a
money.
variety of tool to create, maintain, and track your object, including uploading Excel. So if you see, if you go to CFO, mainly it's more experienced people or aged people. Okay, CFOs. If you see companies, okay, they know only Excel. Suppose they are giving this Excel sheet. So you cannot tell them to go by Oracle, you have to upload budget. So just you can upload whatever they are giving the Excel. So we are having some web ID upload, right, in GL. Okay. In that, if you give the format, they will give like this. Just you can click and upload it. Okay. Okay, sir, understood. Okay, read this, Ravi.
Budgeting in Oracle General Ledger creates an unlimited number of budget or forecast, control users access to budget, then create budget organization to mirror the various level of your company organization and to control user access to the budget information. Budgeting with web application desktop integrator, enter
Web
budget
ADI,
amounts in web
So there are
API.
two types. Budgeting in GL, create unlimited number of budget or forecast. So you can create only n number of budgets. Control user access to budget. Control user means responsibility you can have to restrict. Everybody cannot create a budget. Okay, there should be some department will be doing it. So give the access only to them. Create budget organization to mirror. Mirror means a copy, a same thing. Mirror the very level of company. Mirror means it will not affect the real data. Budget data will be different. That is what they say. Take the mirror, copy of the company this and do it. Master detail budget. What is master detail budget? Budget with web ID. Okay. download both budget and actual amount to calculate new budget. So you are downloading the actual data from the system and also your budget amount. Both you are comparing it through GL. It is all possible. Okay. Can I understand? Hello. புரியுதுல்ல? Okay. Any doubt? Please stop and ask. So reporting and analysis also there. This will see the standard reporting. Will see in the FSG. It will come down. Okay. Okay. Read this. என்ன போட்டிருக்கான் பாருங்க.
Oracle General Ledger is a comprehensive financial management solution, but does not allow you to import data from subsidiary ledgers.
Ledger. True or false?
False.
Why?
Because from every module we are importing data to GL.
From every module. Okay, Ravi, it is true or false?
True, sir.
Why?
It no, actually we can. It is false. Actually, we can import the data from subsidiary ledger. Like we can take the data.
We can import the data from subsidiary ledger, but my question is, I am thinking there is a module called Oracle projects. Okay, Oracle projects. How you directly link with the GL? It is also a subsidiary, right? It is going through API and coming, but it is not a direct subsidiary. Anyway, we'll check. 99% your answer should be correct. Okay. Correct answer is it's a complicated financial statement that allows you to import. Yes, you both are right. It allows. Okay. But my question is, if you modify the question, any subledger ledger it cannot do. There are modules like customized, what we call CRM, right? What is CRM? Relationship management, right? See, in that you don't have financial data. How it will import to GL? It won't come, right? Understand? It won't interface. In that angle also you have to think. It is a straightforward, but that is also module, but it doesn't have nothing to do with the accounting. Okay. There are only few modules which can link to the accounting. That angle also you have to think. Okay. Now this is basic thing. Okay. So what is the next thing? Read this both and tell me true or false.
Oracle General Ledger integrates with the Oracle Payables, but does not integrate with the Oracle HR. True.
Tell me, Ravi, true or false? Okay. Answer is, see what they say, it interacts with both payable and HR. It is not, does not interact. It is the correct answer is Oracle with both HR as well as financial and public sector. See what they're saying is, what you understood, I know, Mr. Subra, what you understood is financial data doesn't come directly. Okay. They are asking whether it will integrate or not. Yes, it will integrate. Every module is integrated in ERP to GL, but the data will not flow directly, correct? It is flowing through payable only. One way your answer is correct, but they saying is it integrated with everything. But our ultimate thing is, we thought the journal should flow, correct?
Yes.
See, in detail we'll see. Okay, next. Tell me.
10 minutes of budget.
Every time you enter a subledger transaction, enter. Ravi, read it.
Every time you enter a subledger transaction or enter and post a journal entry in GL, same transaction journal will be converted to one or more associated subledger level reporting currencies.
Okay.
False.
True or false? Why?
Because it will not immediately get converted. Whenever we are running the report only, it will get translated, converted.
But what we read in reporting currency, it will convert immediately. Let's see. Every time or enter a posted direct, the same journal will be converted. The correct is immediately it will be converted. Okay. Because it is form part of the setup. It is not a program, right?
Okay.
It is a program, it has to run. Okay.
Okay.
So every time you form, it is also a setup, right? It is the initial setup. So
Okay.
immediately it will go to the subledger accounting. I think that he got cut some internet problem from you. No
Okay.
problem. He already knows everything. Oracle GS provided a variety of consolidation. படிங்க.
Oracle General Ledger provides you with a variety of reporting, consulting, analysis capability using online account and transaction analysis, standard reports and listing, financial statement generator reports, and Web ADA report manager. Oracle General Ledger does not provide reporting capabilities. Oracle General Ledger provides standard reports and listings.
ஓகே, இந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டிங்லாம் இருக்கா?
Yes.
ஆமா, எல்லாமே இருக்கு. ஓகே, சொல்லுங்க. Now we are going to see what is ledger. Okay. So இப்போ பார்க்கறதெல்லாம் ஒரு ரஃப் ஓவரால் தான். We are not getting into the subject still in depth. ஓகேவா?
Okay.
ஓவரால் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. So it is only overall. So don't worry. We are going every subject then and there. Okay. So ledger represented core of a company financial record where even though transaction flows through. It is a core. Fundamental concept ledger accounting representation for the organization, accountable in a self-contained way. Padinga eppadi idu? Fundamental concept.
A fundamental concept in Oracle application is the ledger. The ledger represents an accounting representation of an organization that is accountable in a self-contained way. A ledger owner might be the ledger represents accounting for an organization that is accountable in a self-contained way.
எல்லாமே in ledger தானே. After business group, everything in ledger. So everything it contain all the account. அடுத்த ledger owner?
A ledger owner might be a legal entity or a group of companies in a common legal environment, a substantial operation within a legal entity, but with the legal entity attributes or a foreign branch. Ledgers are always used to consolidate and manage organization model in reporting. In a pure implementation, legal entity accounts for itself in a ledger. A ledger provides balanced.
Ledger owner might be a legal entity, group of company, common legal entity, substantial operation with a legal entity attribute or a foreign badge. So a ledger can be a owner of a legal entity. Okay, group of company, substantial operation and foreign branch or a foreign branch. Okay, organized model. In a pure a legal entity accounts for itself in a ledger. Provides to balance ledger accounting and serves a repository of financial information. That's the main. It is a repository of a financial information. Ledger balances. They assert the balance on account, date as a specific value in a particular consistent application, as we call sometimes 4C. Number 4C பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? 4C தான் ledger.
Okay.
Not of account date. Okay. சொல்லுங்க.
The 4C's refer to chart of accounts, calendar, currency, and cash. True.
நல்லா பாருங்க.
The 4C's refer to chart of accounts, calendar, currency, and cash.
நேத்து நான் என்ன
Cash
சொன்னேன்?
என்றது வந்து approval or cash ன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
அது கிடையாது. ஓ, அப்படி யோசிச்சிங்களா? கேஷ் மெத்தட்னு அவன் சொல்லியிருப்பான். அவன் கேஷ்னு சொல்லியிருப்பான். அது வந்து அக்ரூவல் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் அக்கவுண்டிங் வரணும். அது மெத்தட் ஆஃப் அக்கவுண்டிங் இல்ல.
அக்ரூவல்
இது வந்து கேஷ் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் அக்கவுண்டிங் கிடையாது.
ஓகே.
ஜெனரல் கேஷ் போட்டிருக்கான். அப்ப அது ஃபால்ஸ் தானே வரும்.
Okay.
நீங்க சொல்றது கரெக்டா இருந்தா ட்ரூ.
Okay.
Correct answer is 4C referred to the நாலாவது வந்து accounting convention. It is not cash.
Okay.
Cash
Okay.
method is a method of accounting information. Okay.
Okay.
There are hundreds of accounting convention. Accounting convention or SLA. அதுல வந்து
Okay.
it is like standard. அதுல எதுவும் மாறாது. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is secondary ledger படிங்க?
Secondary ledger are used for supplementary purposes and can be used for global companies to comply with various legal requirements.
Okay. So whenever you are preparing for interview, this is the correct slang and language you have to answer. Okay. Whatever example you are studying, that is for your purpose. So use for supplementary, use for company to comply with various legal requirement. Like I said, any one of the 4C changes. That's legal requirement. Currency, currency வந்து reporting currency you can do. Your chart of account or calendar, okay, or your accounting method changes. You are using a secondary ledger, okay. Supplementary purpose of global company. Secondary ledger, legal requirement, supplementary consolidation, prepare accounting practice, more flexibility. Accounting method, chart of account, calendar, subledger, okay. Maintain 4 different level. So whenever it changes, we'll apply a comply with the different country legal requirement, use for supplementary, complete accounting picture of a partial picture group the other ledger.
Okay.
So idla potrukka. See, secondary ledger la 4 types of things. Level of level. Balance level, only the balance, not GL consolidation or transfer level. GL journal level na posting. It is also can post. It is a separate ledger, okay. Subledger journal, SLA or automatic, only subledger level journal. Adjustment only. Only you want to transfer the adjustment to secondary ledger. Okay. Appo
Okay.
you can do it. Okay. Secondary ledger conversion level. Balance level. Padinga balance level.
Balance level secondary ledger maintains primary ledger account balance in another accounting representation. This type of secondary ledger requires Oracle General Ledger consolidation to transfer primary ledger balance to this secondary ledger.
So what do you mean by that? சொல்லுங்க. Hello.
Primary ledger account balance in another accounting representation.
Okay.
Oracle General Ledger consolidation to transfer primary level balance to secondary level.
So balance level secondary ledger maintain primary ledger account balance in other accounting representation. Oracle General Console transfer to primary balance to this secondary ledger. So what is balance level secondary ledger? So there are types of secondary ledger. How it maintains the data. Okay. So what is balance level means? Only the accounting balance. Suppose rent account it is 4 lakhs per year. Okay. It is only transferred. It is not monthly or journal entry like rent to cash like that. Okay. This type require a consolidation of transfer primary ledger balance to this secondary ledger. So only it want balance level means the primary ledger balances will be transferred to secondary ledger. Only balance. Okay. Journal level. Journal level means all journal in an additional accounting representation. A type of secondary maintained jail posting program. Every time you post a journal, the same will be automatically replicated in the secondary ledger and category. Okay. So this is called journal level. All the journal will come. First only the balance amount. Third is subledger. Subledger has both SLA and general ledger posting program. Necessary journal in both primary assignment. Creates the entry. See, whenever you bring from a subledger, from payables to GL, It creates both entries in the primary GL and secondary GL. Okay, understand?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, you understand the
Hello?
difference, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. The subledger level மட்டும் படிங்க.
Subledger secondary ledger uses both subledger accounting and general ledger posting program to create the necessary journals in both the primary and secondary ledger simultaneously. Subledger accounting creates the journal entries from subledger transactions that integrate with subledger accounting.
So அதான் differences. Okay. Still, general ledger projected journal ledger for all transactions that do not integrate to subledger, including manual journal. General ledger posting create the journal entry for all transactions. Okay. If at all it doesn't come by subledger, that means it is a manual journal. Okay. So including manual journal, it creates in subledger. Adjustment only. Secondary ledger is a complete accounting representation that hold only adjustment. So only for adjustment entry, like say the audit adjustment, that only the adjustment entry other than the normal thing is doing in the subledger. Can be manual adjustment or automated adjustment from SLA. This type of ledger must be different. Share the same chart of account. See, whenever there is a subledger, it should be having a same chart of account and everything. Then only it will be do the adjustment, only the combination. Okay. Reporting currency. You know the reporting currency, only currency changes. Why we need a reporting currency?
Reporting business reason useful for consolidated reporting and analysis. No need to physically move balance to create views of consolidation data. Beneficial for parent consolidation entries that share the same chart of accounts and calendar with their subsidiaries. Benefits: tighter link to ledgers for accounting and reporting in another currency. In addition to the ledger's primary currency, can be used in primary or secondary ledgers.
Okay. What is the business region? Useful for consolidation, reporting, and analysis. See, whenever you use a report, it is used for consolidated reporting and analysis. Or say if everything in same currency only, it is used for analysis, correct? No need to physically move balance. So you don't have to physically convert a thing into other one. Suppose you are having US bank balance and Indian bank balance. You don't want to convert and move, it will have a commission that you have to see. You are doing it other than only with the system. Beneficial of parent consolidation entity that should share the same chart of account calendar with the subsidy. So this is possible when there is a same chart of account and calendar with the subsidiary entry. Okay, subsidiary agency. Benefit: tighter link to ledger for accounting and reporting in other currency can be used with primary or secondary. So the reporting currency can also done with the primary ledger and secondary ledger. Okay. So before we seen as a secondary ledger conversion level, these three, okay, balance level, journal level, subledger level, correct? Now we are having reporting currency conversion level. Reporting currency, three types: balance level, journal level, subledger level. So these three levels are already there. Wherever you use it, okay? So how balance level? Every time you run a translation in general ledger, balance is stored in a balance level. It's a currency representation of a GL. Whenever you post a journal, journal will be converted into reporting currency, journal level reporting currency, balance level, journal level, subledger level. Every time enter subledger transaction, the transaction will be converted to associated reporting currency. So what level you do, the same will be done in the reporting currency. Okay. Next, we are going to see the accounting setup steps. How to create a ledger. This is clearly in the activity guide also. Okay. If in chart of account calendar, this is the complete accounting setup. While doing that, you will understand this. Okay. We'll see only the complicated parts. So sharing ledger across Oracle application, we read it. We'll see how the accounting structure will be shared calendar. This will be seen in the practicals. Okay. These are all. So you understood as of now, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it is very easy. We are reading everything. That all nobody will take care. Initially, people will directly go into the setup, correct? How to set up a ledger. Now we are analyzing what is secondary and everything. That is good for you. Okay. These are all along with the practical. If you see, it is easy. Okay. Directly, if you go for practical and then you read, these topics will be very good. Nothing is there very easy. Okay, we'll see. Hello.
Hello?
கேக்குதா? Okay. Because it is
Okay.
40 minutes ஆயிடுச்சுல்ல.
Ah.
ஷேர் போயிடுச்சா?
போயிடுச்சு, சுத்தமா போயிடுச்சு.
இருங்க. இப்போ வருது.
ஸ்கிரீன் போயிடுச்சு.
இப்போ வந்துருச்சு. Every 40 minutes will go out and come, I think. Okay. See, what is account hierarchy management segment symbol? Okay. Account hierarchy manager segment symbol and a top level parent chart of account representative. The parent child எல்லாமே you know that, right? Chart of account இதெல்லாம் ஒரு practicals we see. Okay. Security, read only access, write access according to. See, you have the security only you have to give the read only access, write access. You will define the responsibility. Yeah. Set up accounts manager, account hierarchy manager, a security value as well that work together. You can control read or write access and control. Read only, read or write security. Read only disables you from modifying or saving hierarchy or segment value and parameters. You can only query, view hierarchy, view detail. Read only is displayed in the title bar of the account hierarchy manager. So read only, how to do read only in read or write security. Segment value security. So they will do a security on segment values or range of segment value. So specific user, suppose there is a sales user and purchase user, you want to restrict a rule, you want to restrict the segment from the particular user. Okay. Chart of account security. Sysadmin having all the control. Okay. The parent creating child value. Ledger set. See, ledger sets enabled you to multiple ledgers that share the same chart of account and calendar combination. Okay, say a single ledger having 4C. What is ledger set? If you are having a multiple ledger having the 4C in common, essentially ledger set allow you to treat multiple ledger as one, 2 or 3 ledgers as one. For example, you can open and close period in a single submission. Okay, so like I said, a big company like HCL having multiple ledgers. Okay, at a single time you can open and close periods of a single time for all the ledgers in a submit request form. So this is the conditions very. If you are creating ledger set, it is easier for us. So time saving. Okay. Then what is data access set? So you are giving read only or read or write access. For the data access set is giving you an option, right? So legal entity, balancing segment and managing segment. Balancing segment, you would have seen in segment, what is a balancing? You cannot open and close period of multiple ledgers. We've seen that, right? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
கட் ஆயிட்டு வந்து
ஸ்கிரீன் போயிட்டு.
ஓகே, ஒரு நிமிஷம். Now you can see, right? Hello.
I'm not able to. Now I am able to see.
Okay.
Yeah.